In this tutorial, I will tell you 5 tips for using social media to promote your solopreneur business. No matter what industry your business falls under, social media is absolutely necessary for success in the modern era. If you don't take social media seriously, it's unlikely that you will experience any real success. However, you have to know how to use social media before seeing any benefits, which can be easier said than done. Here are 5 tips to keep in mind so that you can maximize your social media to promote your solopreneur business. 1. Maximize social media. The first tip may seem like an obvious one, but maximize the use of social media. Many people have social media accounts, but they fail to use them consistently enough to promote their solopreneur business. Maximize social media by selecting social media platforms that are best for your business. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Instagram are all great social media platforms to choose, but some are better than others for certain demographics. Additionally, learn about the most useful times for posting. There are different studies that show when you should post based on your target audience. The studies will also help you find out how often to post per social media site. For example, you should post about 15 times a day on Twitter, but only once a day on Instagram. The second tip for using social media is to create a strategy plan. A social media strategy plan can help you outline your goals and follow through to make your goals a reality. Many beginner solopreneurs simply jump into social media without a strategy plan. This leads to shoddy promotion that may harm the business more than help it. Create a social media strategy plan to fully understand what you want from social media and how to achieve your goals. It also helps with branding. Make sure to do a lot of research during this step so you fully understand every phase in social media promotion. One of the most crucial parts of your strategy plan includes making a posting schedule for each site. A posting schedule will make it much easier to post your content consistently enough for it to land high up on your followers' feeds. 3. Understand your target market. As we mentioned in our first step, different social media platforms are better for individual target markets. It's crucial that you understand your target market in order to select the perfect social media platforms. Create content your users will love and more. Though this step may seem easy enough, it is crucial for success. 4. Optimize your profile. Another thing you need to do for using social media to promote your solopreneur business is to optimize your profile. This includes enhancing your bio, cover pictures, and profile picture. If you do not optimize your profile, most people will think it's spam and not look twice. You also may want to look into SEO for social media. SEO, or search engine optimization, can help new users find your site whenever they search things online or in the social media search bar. 5. Tailor content. Finally, tailor your content to each social media profile. Depending on which social media platforms you select, each one has different stylings and benefits. For example, Twitter is better for short promotional blurbs or memes, whereas Instagram is obviously better for pictures. Tailor each content to maximize results on each site.